Do you find soldering wires together to be awkward and very difficult to get professional results? Well, here today I'm going to show you a $9 tool that's going to transform your soldering just like it's transformed mine. Let's get into it. Now this is a normal piece of automotive loom, and say you accidentally cut this and you wanted to join these two pieces back together. So you'd strip your wires, and so then you've got these two pieces here, and that's the challenge. You twist these together, how do you hold them? You can try and jam them in like that. So then they're sort of floating in midair. But then when you come along with your soldering iron, you're trying to apply pressure there, but you're also trying to feed your solder in. And how can you do that? It's clunky, it's awful, and it doesn't work. So what's the solution? Well, this guy here off TEMU, I call it a solder wire holder, I think. But it's very, very simple to use. You can set the width of how far apart you want the two connectors to be. Then they've got these tabs here that you just bend up. So just put them in there, and look at that. They'll hold your wires. Doesn't matter where it is. So then you can just come along with your soldering iron. Look how nice and firmly it's held in place. As always with solder, you let it cool down naturally. But look at that. Beautiful solder connection. If you think it's not that hard, you could get the two wires and rest them on the bench and put a screwdriver on one and solder on the other, and you can hold it firm like that. That might be so, but what are you going to do under the dash of a car, like I was yesterday? I'm telling you, this little guy here, it will transform your soldering straight away. So to finish the job off, of course, you get your heat shrink, slide it down into place, then you get your heat gun, and that, ladies and gentlemen, are professional soldering results. So there you have it, professional results. They can be achieved. It's just the little simple tools that make the bigger jobs much, much simpler. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.